Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're having a good Thursday, August 11th. Got his positions today. Did some day trading. TGL was one of them. Let's see what happens with this one. Might dump. Might go crazy. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy Money sticks around. We have a Twitter you can follow us on at Happy Money YT, as well as a Discord server. Link for that is in the description. Dave Lauer actually tweeted, according to analysis from at Buy-ins net, shorts are underwater in AMC and deep underwater in GME. Squeeze prices, the price at which shorts are losing money. 23.51 for AMC and 16.46 for GME. I was kind of surprised he tweeted that, being kind of the position he's in to tweet something like that. I looked at their Twitter Buy-ins net. Yeah, I was like, seemed a little hypey for Dave Lauer, but must be pretty credible. I wouldn't think he'd just throw something out there. Yeah, here's our Discord. Sharing trades. Oh, TGL halted down. Yeah, so I guess I actually found out that Zero Hedge actually tweeted it. I didn't realize he tweeted it back here, but we'll see what happens. I did make well, I realized some money on it. I still have a big position. Well, I guess I have 80 shares on it. What I like about Webull is you can do this and view trade details. I bought it at 780 down here, and there's a trick with IPOs that I learned from Trading Fraternity on YouTube. Basically, if they trade their whole float in the first day, it's pretty just a bullish sign, and they oftentimes have good rallies after that for, you know, however long. Just shows a lot of interest, basically, a lot of demand for the amount of supply, and the float on TGL is super tiny. It's only 3 million, so it did trade 3 million within the first like hour or two, so that's basically why I jumped in on it here. And then I sold most of it, or sold all of it here, or like rather here, seeing at the end of the wedge, assuming it'd probably come down, but then I saw this wick, so it looked like I was breaking out to the upside. And so then I bought back in here and rode that up, and now we're halted down. But yeah, I guess Zero Hedge tweeted about it back here, so this might be a bit of a pump and dump. I'm not sure. SPY. Yeah, SPY PPI, I think it was, came out this morning. Best it's been in years, I think, like before COVID. So that's just more bullish news, basically, for the market to feed on and continue this bear rally. And this morning was wild. There was squeezes going on all over the place. BNGO had a big move up. A lot of stuff settled down. STS, Astra, a lot of stuff was going crazy. I actually want to get a position on BRCC. It's just a bad day to do it. Got that nice head and shoulders that broke out of back here, but really today with the volume, I'd say is this could be the beginning of a nice uptrend on that one. Rad, which Jay Hartman called out yesterday, made its move. Maybe it'll keep going. We'll see. This one has moved big in the past. We've made good money on Rad before. AMC, of course, it's doing really, really big stuff today. Pretty big. Where is it? Here it is. Its market cap surpassed GME. So if you remember that chart, I don't know if I've shared it, but the swaps theory with basically AMC's market cap having to be higher, and basically them keeping them close or in order. For the last 2 years, AMC's market cap's mostly been higher. Well, really since AMC squeezed, it's been higher. So since this squeeze on AMC, so after January, and then there, it's been higher, and then it just switched back lower somewhere around here, where GME was actually higher market cap. But then I think yesterday or maybe today it switched back the other way. So now AMC's market cap's 13.3 billion, GME's 12.2. So we'll see. They're supposed to kind of be in line with each other potentially. So meaning GME will have to come up or AMC have to come down, or that'll happen, or they'll both have to do that to get back in line with each other. And I think BBBY, it was on the basket at one point. It's maybe gotten kind of shuffled back in there somehow. I'm not sure, but yeah. Just looking at GME though. and SPY, and there was just so much hot money and just so much bullishness in the market. I think it just actually dragged GME up today, kind of against its will. It was just like pretty low volume again and just like pulling it through mud until finally SPY kind of chilled out and it just let GME dump. So, but that being said, I mean, GME did hold up pretty well here overall today. I mean, the market was very bullish, so not great, I guess, but for GME, and after it just hit a big resistance here at 48, to not just flush for the next 3 days is pretty significant, I think. So I think we are, yeah, I think we're seeing post-split GME action, and today's another day where I don't, that support might be pretty high. And it looks like each day looks like it's kind of repeating November more and more. Kind of this price action and then a run at the end of the month. Probably after OPEX, and then on that SLD period time, kind of this week, the 22nd to the 2nd, probably that range, somewhere in there. This time it did run into OPEX. So this, let's see, this was the monthly OPEX right here, that Friday, and that was Monday. But as far as time frame, the days, this was the 3rd, this was the 19th. So we just had that peak here on the 8th. So I'd give it till further. It pretty much lines up with that week, second to last, or even into the last week. So I'm waiting to go long on GME. Sometimes it's exciting. It's hard not to, but trying to practice patience for sure. My big indicator, because I do think it could go at any point too. Like it might not, might not wait till then. Big indicator for me will just be the volume. So yeah, that's basically all I'm looking for. Today was a little better, kind of later mornings. All this volume here, these bars are a little bit higher than what we had yesterday, but overall, just it wasn't a lot. We need volume, closer to like this. That was 1.6 in the first 5 minutes, and then 500,000, and then 1.5, and just bigger volume. So that's gonna be my indicator. Even if it's melting up like this, not to get FOMO and just wait if it's not on much volume. So but that being said, it is holding up well here, so I will probably be looking for just kind of a dip maybe tomorrow or Monday or Tuesday. We'll see what next week if it kind of keeps melting down. Actually today I was trying to open up some cash secured puts, which is kind of a nice way to play it, but I'm not sure if this is going to move down a lot or not. Like, I mean, it could. Market's so bullish, I don't think it will though. So maybe just that 37. I was looking at 36.75 cash secured puts. That was like the 30 delta. So maybe tomorrow, if we get a nice dip in the morning instead of a rip, maybe I'll open them up. I was just trying to get a high price, so I didn't open up today. But yeah, I mean, it's holding up nicely. I still think probably won't see anything till closer to the end of the month. Couple weeks, week and a half. Let's see. Yeah, but I mean, longer time frame, still bullish. Not showing a whole lot of bearishness at all. Weekly still looks really good. Yeah, everything looks nice. Yeah, and then yeah, TGL is a nice one on here. How's that one doing actually? Knowing that it was on zero hedge, I don't know. Oh, look at that. It actually just halted going down. So when I got into it, it was halting. It was basically halt 5 minutes and be open for like 15 seconds, then halt, open, halt, open, halt, open, halt. So you kind of just sat in it and waited. It's chilling out now. I guess worst thing would be if they had a share offering, they'd probably dump it pretty quick, but nothing yet. Oh, the trades. Not much trading today, which is good. Oh, I closed. So I actually at market close yesterday, I opened up some GME calls for end of month, just in case. I mean, yesterday was holding support, was coming into close pretty strong. I'm like, I'm just gonna open some calls up, just have some exposure overnight in case we get a big gap up or something. So I closed those this morning on this rally, made a little profit, just because that volume again, and then yeah, so close those out and close my band. My band quit, and I made a little bit, but we quit. Open up OSTK, overstock a little early on it probably, and Rocket. Both those have nice charts, and I think they'll both get some love with this bear market rally. This wasn't a day to open them, but got kind of excited. Overstock has historically made huge moves. Got 2 diamond bottoms here. You can see one there, another little one there, or that's the double bottom, and then another diamond bottom there. They broke out of both. So as long as it holds up above that, this trend line here on that one, and this trend line on that one, it's looking good. Volume was increasing. We've got big green volume on that day, and it's kind of starting to break out of these resistances back here. Kind of wait for that 37 or so, or sorry, 34. A lot of charts kind of this look like this rounding bottom type. Oh, GME starting to dump here into close. Oh, I got about 30 minutes left. And Rocket looks bullish for the first time in so long. I actually got rid of all my shares. I'd covered calls and they were deep in the money and they kept getting called away. And I didn't buy back in, so I'm fine with it. This could have a good rally though. Got nice little head and shoulders down there. And it's got nice volume coming in. So we'll see. Today's kind of a bearish doji shooting star. I believe that's called, but anyways, that one should be alright too. We'll see. And then yeah, I'm looking to open up a position on BRCC. And yeah, still have the put on GME. That will probably be worthless. That's a 37 put for tomorrow. Max Payne's still 40 on GME for tomorrow. The borrow fee has been coming down, which isn't great. Kind of slowly, steadily been coming down from 30s. Now it's down to 27. But Max Payne tomorrow's 40, so we'll probably close around there, I'd imagine, unless we have a big up day. If we have a big up day, then I would expect maybe another up day on Monday. So looking for the volume in the morning, looking forward to stay high and just be good. NYCB, our bank play's doing all right. Datadog's doing good. I guess, no, Rocket Call's not up, no. Peloton, it's rallying a lot today. SFL calls, forward calls. Hold on to all these. I've got quite a bit of time on them. BBBY, of course. Yeah. Flow. Need to get out of these. That's all we got. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on Discord. Peace out.